Hey folks, welcome back. Tell you what guys, we're supposed to be outside today, but I got some bad weather, on and off rain, chance of storms. My garage is a mess, so we're gonna do this cook. It's a very special cook for me. Doing it in here on the air fryer once again. And I'm doing some Gator Shake chicken wings. And I call it Gator Shake chicken wings because of my spices. Guys, check this out. This is a gift to me from Papa, Texas. From, obviously he's in Texas. He sent me this spice from UncleSteveShake.com, and I've been wanting to try some of this, guys. He just had it personally labeled, and I got some of this, and I cannot wait to try it. So guys, let's get going. That is all we're putting on this. Cannot wait to get this going. I want to try this. Smells amazing. Definitely smells like there's some heat in there. I will do this again outside. Wanted to add a little smoke to this, but obviously not gonna happen today. All right, let's get these guys turned over and repeat this process. Alright, let's get this thing preheated and get them in there. Hey guys, looks like I'm already set there for air fryer. I'll crank this up to 400. And I'm gonna set this for 30 minutes. I will check this periodically. And let's get her heated up. Okay, I'm guessing this might take 2 baskets, but I'm actually going to just a little vegetable oil, spray oil. I'm just gonna hit the tops of these just a little. See if I can get some crisp skin. And I'm gonna spray down my basket. And I'm gonna turn these pardon my dogs. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use 2. It's not a problem. Alright guys, we have hit our temperature. Let's put these guys in. I'll check back in about 15-20 minutes or so. Here we go. Guys, I'm gonna pause this for a minute. We're roughly about 18 minutes into this, and I just want to get some temps on it. I don't think we're done yet, but I think we're getting closer. Careful not to hit the bone. We're actually pretty close, to be quite honest with you. Up here. That's on the flats. Drumette could use a little bit more, but we're actually pretty close. I'm gonna rotate these guys, top to bottom. I'll pull this out. Put this one on top. Probably just made a mess of some drippings. Put this in on bottom. I'm gonna let this run about another, I might just let it run out because we are close. Let's get her go. Okay guys, I believe we are about there. Let's get a quick temp on this just to be sure. We were so close last time we checked. I'm pretty sure we're right there on it. Oh yeah. Stay off the bones. 175 there in the flats. Definitely over. Here on the drumette is what we're there guys. I'm gonna get my family fed folks, and I will be back to you with a taste test on this. I'm anxious to try this seasoning. Looks delicious. Hey guys, this is normally how I cook them here when I'm feeling lazy. I wasn't originally going to do a video with this, and then I was going to do it outside, and the weather come and I got depressed, and so I didn't separate the flats and the drumettes. I did take the flappers off, but it's not about that. It's about this seasoning today, guys. And they're not paying me to do this, but I really wanted to try the seasoning, guys. So here it goes with no sauce at all. Wow. You know, I checked the website just to see what it said, and it said it come back a little tangy at first, then it come back and said the heat would come in and give you a little, squeeze your cheeks a little, then to come in and give you a big old fat kiss. It does just that. That is good, guys. I like it. And that is my first taste of it. Wow. It really is just that. Let me try. It's not a lot of heat. It doesn't set you on fire. I like this, guys. I'm gonna try a little bit here with just some ranch dressing. I do this a lot. Y'all have seen my wing videos before. That will soften the blow some. Oh, guys, that is so good. So good. Finger licking good. And I can say that, I'm in Kentucky. Alright, guys. Papa Texas, thank you so much for sending that to me. Uncle Steve Shakes, you're going to be hearing from me soon. This is good. I want to try some of your other stuff now. And I'll get some more of this Gator Shake. But guys, I'm going to put a link down below. And they're not paying me to do this, guys. Papa Texas offered me the seasoning. I said, yeah. And I'm happy to try it. It's so good. I'm still getting some burn in here, guys. I like this. Not real strong. There is some heat, but it's not overbearing at all. Because I wouldn't eat it if it was. So, thank you, guys. I'm putting links below to both Uncle Steve Shakes and Papa Texas. And so, guys, thank you so much. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that like. That helps us out too, guys. Excuse me. Woo, there it goes. And guys, we will see you on the next video. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.